In the figure below, triangle ABC and triangle ADE are isosceles with congruent sides marked. If the measure of angle ABC is 36 degrees and the measure of angle ADE is 62 degrees, and the measure of angle BAD is 3 times as large as that of angle CAE, find the measure of angle. So here's the same picture with two of the given angles labeled, and it's slightly enlarged. What we know from here is this angle has to be 62 because triangle ADE is isosceles with AD being congruent to AE. Using a very similar argument, we can say this angle has to be 36 as well, because triangle ABC is isosceles as well. Now, if this is 62, this is 62, we know some of the three angles of a triangle is 180. If we subtract 62 twice from 180, we are going to get the measure of this angle, which turns out to be 180. Let's do it here. 180 minus 62 plus 62 turns out to be 180 minus 124, which is going to be 56. So this is 56. And the math is right over there. Alright. Now, how about the measure of this angle? Angle BAC. Well, 180 minus 36 will give you that. +36 plus 36 is 72, and 180 minus 72 is 108. So this angle is 108 degrees. I'm going to label it right like this. Okay, now I know that this angle is 3 times this angle. So if this is x, let's see if I can write it here. This has to be 3x. That's given in the question. So if this is x, this has to be 3x. Note, these two blue angles, x and 3x, should be really the difference between 108 and 56. So if we subtract 56 from 108, what do we get? We get 52. So we are going to claim that this angle 3x plus x has to be 52, because the big angle is 108 and the smaller part of it is 56. If you take the difference, you're going to get 52. So we're making this claim right here. Let's use red. We're claiming 3x plus x equals 52, which implies 4x equals 52, which implies x equals 52 over 4, which turns out to be 13. So now I know that this angle x is 13. So I'm going to write it here, see if I can. It's getting a little messy. We're almost done. I'm supposed to find this angle AQC. And let's do our final work here. Okay, so this angle has to be from 180. If you add the three angles of any triangle, you're going to get 180. From 180, if you subtract 13 and 36, you'll get your answer. So 180 minus 13 plus 36. 13 plus 36 is 49. 49. And 180 minus 49 is 131. So my final answer is 131. That's the measure of angle AQC.